What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect print screen on your OBS. Let's dive into our computer and start the tutorial. Alright guys, first thing you have to do is go to the camera, right click on your camera and go to filters. Alright, we are on filters section. Click the plus sign icon, go to chroma key, hit OK. As you can see guys, there's already a preset for our chroma key in the system, but we are not going to use that one. We want to get the perfect green screen that we wanted. So what we're going to do is press the icon here on the left side of the chroma key and go to this icon, custom, alright, and select color. Slide this one on your left side and choose this one, pick screen color guys, alright, and use your cursor to pick the color, okay. Just click this one on your background, your own background guys, alright, and hit OK. As you can see guys, the color here and your background is the same now. Hit OK. Alright, and this time guys, we have to click this eye icon again on the left side of chroma key. Alright, as you can see, we disappear, but don't worry guys, we will be back later. Alright, just slide this one to your left side. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright guys. And you can play around guys with the key color spell reduction. You can play around this one, but don't play too much because it will spell your color as well. Alright. Alright guys. And one more thing we have to add. First, we have to go correct the colors that it's gone during the chroma key. So click the plus sign icon again and go to color correction. Just hit OK. And we have to play around with the saturation guys so that our face looks natural. Alright, slide this one to the right until you get the right color you wanted. Alright, so far it's good now. So let's close this one and check our screen guys on OBS. Alright, so far it's really looking good now and clean. So it's that really simple guys. That very simple to do it. Of course, if you find it helpful guys, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new videos. And for more tutorial guys, please leave a comment below what type of tutorial you want me to do for you guys. Thank you so much and see you next time.